Okay, so that's the main shop entrance. You can see the sinks, our lifts to the classroom. And then that's the teacher's lift. And then we have now the pig pen, which is where all the bar stools are. My demonstration table with the TV so they can see if I'm working on the car showing a particular repair or doing something on the table via the web cameras so they can see what's going on. The tire machines are still there. And then another tire machine, but this little corner here is going to be our new BattleBot machining cove. So we're going to get a mill, a Bridgeport right there, and then a lathe right here next to our grinder, which will probably have to be moved again. We'll see. I might just change it to a polishing wheel. So this will also become the Hot Rodders Arena. We have to move this after they move the mill into place, but all we have to do is move it over a few feet, I think 3 feet, and that will become our Hot Rodders Arena with a portable table that will go where that lamp is. So that way we can get back to Hot Rodders of tomorrow, because then 2022 is back at SEMA. So my students are ready to go. All right, and there's the table, TV, my proof monitor, and then once again there's the main shop, and then my office behind the ATV.